Thanks for taking an interest in joining a ReadyStack Jam. In this short video, I'll cover what a ReadyStack is, how we come together to co-create a product and go to market. I'll also share historical outcomes, team targets, and the resources we have to scale users after the POC phase. A ReadyStack is an app automation workflow created by a group of experts, designed with all the business rules and the flexibility to work with any set of user apps. A ReadyStack is the combination of a podcast about a process, the process's execution, and full user support. ReadyStacks are sold and scaled using a PLG model. About our content, ICPs, and outcomes. Podcast content attracts audiences searching for advice on processes and app recommendations. Our ideal customer profile is an organization that wants a one-stop shop experience, values simplicity, is risk-averse, and requires access to personalized service. ReadyStacks are proven to deploy in days versus weeks, require no coding or technical deployment fees, and reduce IT expenses by 90%, and they allow non-technical users to experiment with different apps to boost outcomes. 70% of users who reach the activation stage convert and remain for 7+ years. Go ahead and scan the QR code to make a copy of the ReadyStacking business model. You can enter your assumptions and forecast your income for years 1 through 7. How we jam. We connect on a few Zoom calls to lay out a business process, recommended apps, and solutions providers. Ideally, Jam team members will fulfill 80% of recommendations, either within the ReadyStack or as an additional service. When the Jam spec is set, a PMP-certified project manager takes charge and oversees the build in ReadyStack Studio from start to finish. They'll share preview versions to keep everyone updated on progress and gather feedback. While that's in process, we'll produce a YouTube video playlist. The first video is in a podcast format to walk through best practices and educate our audience. Subsequent videos guide users through the setup process and provide information about help resources. After everything is produced, we train the ReadyStack onboarding team. When that's complete, we sign off on the ReadyStack and launch our product. Demand gen and client onboarding. Members post links to read-only versions on our websites, in newsletters, LinkedIn, and YouTube to drive awareness. We'll tag each other, solutions providers, groups, influencers, and our network connections. When visitors hit the read-only version, they'll watch our webinar and explore our flow's design. From there, users click the Start Editing button to make a copy of the Jam and onboard themselves in a PLG motion with our trained onboarding support rep standing by to help them activate our Jam. The team can handle questions about the flow, how to make adjustments, and Zapier integrations. Users will see we offer a forever free version and our simple pay-as-you-go pricing model by clicking the pricing button. And if they need help with creating Zaps or other services, they click the Buy Stacker Time button. These inquiries will be routed to Jam teammates based on the specific service the user is requesting. Organic network effects and the Amplifier commerce ecosystem. The entire internet can spontaneously join our Jam as affiliates and collaborators. We refer to these folks as amplifiers because they expand our reach and scale our revenue in 4 ways. First, they post links to our Jam in their community platforms, blogs, newsletters, and YouTubes. All they have to do is click the share button. Second, they naturally recruit more amplifiers for us. Each preview has a share link, and as it gets shared, we'll gain more amplifiers. Third, we'll message amplifiers and convert them into affiliates for your apps and services. And finally, they can reorganize our flow and add apps to bring our Jam into new product market segments. This is also easy to do because ReadyStack Jams are flexible and platform agnostic. For example, let's say our Jam targets HubSpot and Zapier users who can't afford native HubSpot automation. An enterprising amplifier with Pipedrive expertise can update the Jam for Pipedrive users. And likewise for Salesforce. The product iterations and evolution that amplifiers create atop our Jams are limitless. Thanks to the amplifier commerce system, our Jam self-perpetuates its reach, relevance, and influence, leading to compounded growth without team involvement. Amplifier recruiting. Everyone is welcome to apply. There are 2 places to start. First, we share our Jam with our current business and affiliate networks. Second, Network with Zapier resellers because we can help them with earnings and scale. They're also community-oriented and have the skills to evolve our Jam into their specialized app segments. Jam members receive 60% of ReadyStack automation fees on direct users and 20% on accounts referred by Jam Amplifiers. Cross-sales. ISVs convert subscriptions in a co-marketing and co-sales partner setting. Experts and service agencies get a pipeline of prospects. To join in, scan this QR code to send an email to Jay Adams. He'll check out your LinkedIn profile. If you qualify, he'll connect with you, introduce you to other ReadyStack jammers, and fill you in on the jams we already have in progress.